Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Agos Creatives. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step on how to destroy an object in Blender, and it is super simple. I just want you to follow the step, and if you are not getting it at first, always go back to the video. And please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, that's if you are new to my YouTube channel, please, I want you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So anytime I drop in a content like this, you might be the first person to be aware of it. Please also like, comment, and share to as many as possible for me to grow this channel. Thank you. So without any further ado, let's start the class. This is Blender 3.6 Lite. You might be using an higher version or a lower version. Don't worry about that. Just follow my step and you'll be able to do it on yours also. So this is the default keep. So what I will do now is make sure that I delete it and bring in a new mesh. As I want to use cube for an example. Then let me bring it up. Okay, I think let me a little bit lower. So if you have not set your self fraction here, please, you have to do that. So because you won't be able to work on your mesh, you won't be able to do what I am doing or I'm about to do. So this is what you do. Go to your preferences, your add-ons here, then come here, search for self fracture. So this is self fracture. So make sure that it is clicked, it's checked. So when you're after that is done, then you come here for you to be able to save preferences. So if you have saved it, then you are good. So what you now do is what I want to do to this cube is that I want to subdivide it so that I can have different segments of breakings on it. So let me go to my edit mode. So right click on it, then subdivide. So I'll hold down my shift plus R so that it can repeat that action again. So twice. So I think I'm good here. So that's that for that. So go back to your object mode. Then what you now do, go to your objects here, go to your quick effects, then self fracture. So it depends on the number of source limit that you put this, that it will make your cube to be able to break into. So if it is 100, if it is 50, if it is 200, depends on what you are really working with or you want to work on. So I think I'm good on 100 for the sake of this tutorial. So let me just hit the OK button. You can see it's calculating it. All right, so this is it. You can see it has finished calculating it. You can see that we are having kind of is a little bit looking weird. You can see as we are turning, it is because there's a cube. The original cube is they are still together. So you have to come here and hide it, or you can delete it. It depends. So I've hidden it, so you can see now it's no more doing that again. So what I'll now do is go to my object, read the body, come here to make sure that you put it on active. Then make sure it is active. Then what I'll do is bring my plane. So let me scale it up. All right, so I've scaled it up. So what I will do again is that I'll come to this object mode, read the body, and set that to passive. So after that is done, then you are good. Just hit so we can bring this up. Let me bring it up. Then I will hit my play button. That's your space bar. Then it start dropping, as you can see. So that's that for that. You can see that it has break into pieces. You can see it's now into pieces. So please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please, I want you to subscribe hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I'm dropping a content like this, you'll be the first person to be aware of it. And like, also comment, and please do share. I want you to share to as many as possible for me to be able to grow this channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time, and I love you, and I'll see you in the next class.